What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply a decimal by a power of 10, right? So first of all, what is a power of 10? Well, let me give you some examples, okay? So 10 is a power of 10. 100 is a power of 10. 1,000 is a power of 10. 10,000 is a power of 10, okay? 100,000, a million, 10 million, these are all powers of 10. So as you can see, a power of 10 is basically just a whole number that starts with 1 and ends with 0, or 2 zeros, or 3 zeros, 4 zeros, right, etc. So how do you multiply a decimal by a power of 10? Well, I'm going to show you a really quick, easy little trick you can use when you're multiplying those. So for example, let's just say we had a decimal, let's say 1.37, okay? And I wanted to multiply this by a power of 10. Let's just start with the first one, 10, okay? Multiply it by 10. What would your answer be? The quick way of doing this is, depending on how many zeros you have right here, that's how many times you're going to move your decimal point. So if I have 1 0 right here, I'm going to move my decimal point 1 time to right here. So then 1.37 times 10 is going to equal 13.7. Okay, now if I did 1.37 times 100, what would your answer be? Well, since we have 2 zeros here, we're going to move our decimal point 2 times. Okay, so then it's going to be right there. And then your answer would be 137. Or you could write it as 137.0. Both of those are the exact same thing. Okay, or one more example, if we did 1.37 times 1,000, what would your answer be? Well, we have 3 zeros right here, right? So we're going to move our decimal point 3 times, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put it right there, okay? But as you might notice, we don't have a number right there, right? So since we don't have a number right here, we would just put a 0 right there, okay? So our answer would be 1370, 1,370. Okay, and just to make sure you understand that point, let's say we did 1.37 times a million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? That's a million right there. So 1.3 times a million, what would that be? Well, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So that means we would move our decimal point 6 times, okay? So we would move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it'd go right there. Okay, and as you can see, we obviously don't have any numbers right here, right? So we have to fill in the blanks like we did up here. So we'd have to put a 0 here, 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 and here, okay? So then your answer would be 137, and then how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number right here is 1,370,000. Okay, and you might be asking what happened to your decimal? Well, your decimal's still there. You could write this as 0.0, right? And we could do that in this example up here too, 0.0, but you don't actually really need it. You could just keep it as the whole number. All right, guys, so that is your shortcut way of multiplying a decimal by a power of 10. So I hope the example was helpful. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. But if you still have questions about this or need some clarification, just let me know in the comments section below and I'll try and help you out, all right? Also, there's a playlist attached at the end of the video, so if there's any other topics you need help with, definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.